Kate here with WTI, and if you're also dealing with battery chaos, this battery storage container from Aptbyte is the perfect solution. With this storage container, all of your batteries can be stored in one spot. There is space for every single kind of battery, even watch batteries. There's compartments for all of the sizes, so you will feel so organized. We're not even close to filling up this storage container. We have so much room to go, but it's nice to know that we have a spot that will house them all, keep the dust out, keep any water out, and just keep you organized. It's double-sided, so one side keeps them upright and the other one horizontal. They have nice clips on it, so everything stays closed up. It has a handle, very portable. And what we love is that it comes with a battery tester. So often we never know if our battery is dead or if it's only one of the two we're using. So this way you can test them all before you load them up into your container so that you know they're ready when you need them. So overall, I think this battery storage container is the perfect solution. It keeps us so organized and I just find it really good quality. It's exactly what I wanted, and that's my point of view.